Annyeong everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ju. If you like cars like me, please smash that subscribe button and like this video for more. 감사합니다. This is the 2022 Changan CS35 Plus, top of the line. This is the top spec. If you haven't watched my mid spec, please do watch my video here. This top spec costs 999,000 pesos only with 5 years warranty. That is the introductory price. However, when it passes April 15, you are going to pay 1,169,000. So it kinda puts me in a spot wherein I have to think of other options. But if you are a fool for adaptive cruise control, this might be the best crossover for you. As you can see, I have the luxe, the top of the line, and the hype, which is the middle, and the light is the lowest one. So the biggest difference here is that this unit right here, the top of the line, has PowerLiftgate system, while this one doesn't have power tailgate system. See, it's better to do this. Peace of mind. And another difference between the mid and the top spec is here in the roof line. The hype variant doesn't come with two-tone, while the top variant comes with the two-tone. It's like a roofless design. In this video, I want you guys to think carefully. Are you going to get the mid-spec or are you going to get the top spec? Now the difference is just 30,000 pesos. Now for 30,000 pesos, you are getting two-tone, paint job, and also the power liftgate system. Other than that, everything is just the same. You can also have that color for this variant. So you have to make your choice before April 15, because after that, it is gonna be increased. Please do contact the person in the description section below. Just look at the cabin. Look at all this burgundy leather. These are real leather, okay? Perforated seats. Look at this leather everywhere you would touch, except here on the knee side, are covered with leather. What you get here in this top variant is the same with the mid variant. So, you know, if you are a person who do not care about the tailgate and also the two-tone, you might as well get the mid spec. But just for 30,000, I think I might choose this one. But you know, CS35 Changan is really changing the game. It just came out with this nice cabin that even my friend, who is so difficult to persuade, bought the car. She already has the unit, guys. So make sure you place your reservation before April 15 so you get the introductory price. Otherwise, the increase is really kinda huge. Here in the driver's side, what I need to highlight is that this is a semi or hybrid type of seat adjustment. It does have power and manual at the same time. So I think that's really nice, but like I would have liked it more. Like I think it really depends. Like you want this to be power and this one manual, or this one powered and this one manual. Yeah, come to think of it, it really depends on the person. In the cockpit, we have huge screens here, really nice. Everything is really fashionable and designed properly. Just imagine you do also get wireless charging system in this price point. So, you know, the mainstream brands really need to step up the game. Yeah, this is the second row. As you know, I have 5'10" height. I'm not the shortest person, but look how much space I have. And just look at this seat here. It's so wide, it is so soft, and the leather feels so great. And the best thing is we have air vent here. Although it's just one, it still matters a lot with the charge port, with almost completely flat center tunnel. Look at this, guys. Cup holder, and just look. It's amazing. It is like a shrunken form of the CS75. If you haven't watched it, please do watch it here. What a fantastic deal with panoramic sunroof, airbags everywhere. Guys, hands down, this is one of the best deals out there right now. So if you want to somehow be adventurous, you may try to choose the Changan CS35 Luxe or Hype or the Light. Here under the hood of the CS35 Plus, it has a 1.4-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine mated to 7-speed DCT wet type It can do 160 horsepower and 260 Newton meters of torque. And just look at this, Changan is the only brand that I know has insulation with their brand on it. With a nice cover, it is a good car. Basically, it's the same car as the previous update. And it is a proven engine. I love it so much. So this is how it looks like to actually start the, on the engine, like that. You see it? There. Huge digital screens right there, as you see. What I want to show is, this is a 360 camera. You can see 360 here, and also the front camera. You can also press 2D, 3D. Okay, you can also press 3D and you can rotate. Just look at this. You can also see it from the top. What happens if I open the sunroof? Will the sunroof open? What if I put hazard? Will the car hazard also? It is hazarding, guys. It is hazarding. And the car looks so good. What if I brake? Oh! It brakes! Wow! That's crazy, crazy, crazy. Button right here, you see it says save. You can actually record your driving footage 360. So how cool is that, right? You don't need to buy a dash cam anymore. With the daytime running light. That's the other one. That's the highlight. Headlight, like that, and high beam. And just look at this also. Fog lamp. Brake. And reverse. And hazard. Annyeong everyone, I am now test driving the new generation of Changan. It's not Chang'an, it's Changan CS35 Plus. This is the mid spec, and it has 160 horsepower and 260 newtons. This car received plenty of improvement, and we are gonna put this car to the test. Okay, if you liked your CS35 Plus before, this one got improved even better. You will like it even more because there are more tech, and the look, it looks like a spaceship now. And as you've seen me flooring this baby, you can have some crazy spirited driving because you do have great suspension, you do have great tuning of the engine, and the braking, you don't have to adjust yourself, it already adjusted to you. Thank you everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the 2022 CS35 Plus. It is the most feature-packed compact crossover or subcompact crossover or SUV that I've seen in my life. So if you want the best deal, this is the best time because the price of 999,000 peso is only introductory. So it will go up to 1,169,000 only until April 15, guys. Catch this beautiful car in this wonderful price. This is your chance. And please contact the person here in the description section below so that you can also reserve your unit right now. 감사합니다. And with that, I will see you in the next video. May your dreams come true. 감사합니다.